Welcome. Here is how you can eliminate duplicate values in a column through Duplicate Smart Column. App features. Activate a trigger to check for duplicate values in a column and move them to another group. Example. If you set up a trigger that checks person and sales email columns, any new item added to the board will first check if the value already exists. If not, it goes to the sales leads group. If it does, it moves to the duplicate leads group. This helps sales teams focus on unique leads and avoids duplicate follow-ups. Setup instructions. First, go to any column that supports the Duplicate Smart Column app. Next, click the three dots next to the column. Then, select Column Extension. Choose Duplicate Smart Columns. After that, configure the columns and triggers in the settings box. Select the columns to check for duplicates. Choose the group to move items to. Lastly, select a trigger for status changes from options like item is created, column is changed, item is moved to any group, or status changes to something. Example setup. Select the status column for the app. Choose person and sales email as the columns to monitor. Select duplicate leads as the group for duplicates. Choose item is created as the trigger method. Click Save. Finally, refresh the page. Result. When creating a new item from the form, it will first check sales email and person columns. If the value is not found, the item will be placed in the sales leads group. If found, it will be moved to the duplicate leads group. Get it now on Monday App Marketplace.